Alright, what's up YouTube? Doing my third video. Today we're gonna be sticker bombing the bike. I've got these stickers I've been collecting for a little while. They're not too many. There's just I got a couple VP racing fuels. Thinking that we'll put this on the front fender here. Thinking that'll look pretty cool. And hell, if I don't like it, I'll just take it off. So we've got a couple VP Racing Fuel stickers. We got some, like a Castor Edge, if that's how you say it. It's an oil brand, I'm pretty sure. A Yeti from my cup I got this Christmas. I'm just getting any sticker I can get. An O'Neill MX. Got Sunoco or Sunoco. I don't know, I've heard people saying both ways, so however the hell you say it. Got a shit ton of those. We got this one's too big to put on the bike, but I like it. Some Simpsons guy playing basketball or some shit. Another sticker. Just got these like little Star Wars characters or whatever you call them. And yeah, so let's get in it. Since I know where I want to put this one, I think I'm gonna go up here and do this one first. About right there. It's been kind of hard to get the shot, so I'm gonna have to set you guys down real quick. There we go. Let's see if we can't get this going here. Oh, it's not going over very well. To edit that out. Alright, here we go. Got about right there. I'm not sticking. One sec, guys. Alright there, that's about good. Go a second. That. There we are. That's pretty good, don't it? A little off-centered, but who cares? So that looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. I think I'm gonna put a VP Racing Fuel sticker right there. So, see, we've got two of the big ones. Let's see. Yeah, that fits pretty good about right there. See if you guys can get the shot from right here. I have to bring you up a little bit. There we go. Let's see. What do y'all think? About right here? Don't look too bad, does it? That looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. This is looking good. I really just want to go after the back fender some. So why don't we take this O'Neill one and go across the side like that? I think that'll be pretty cool. Set you right there. See here it comes. This is an old sticker. I've had it for a pretty long time. Oh. Here we go. Looking good. Let's see. Take this VP Racing Fuel sticker. What do you think of that? It's kind of lay them out real quick. I don't know what about that, but I'm gonna put this one. I may put that up front. Put Michael Jordan guy here. Whoever the hell that is. Put him right there. Take the Yeti sticker. Put the Yeti like right there. It's looking pretty good. We gotta get dressed out on that side though. We can take that and go. Maybe we put that one on the side like this, guys. That guy on the side and put the big one right here. I think that looks pretty good. Nothing to it but to do it, so let's get it done. Set you guys down real quick. There we go. Yeah, I like that. I'm happy with that. Put you down there. There we go. I think that's pretty cool. There may be some people on YouTube that... Whoa, shit, I almost dropped you guys. There may be some people that aren't happy with this, what I'm doing right here, but... Hell, if I don't like it, I can take it all off. I don't have money for graphics. So... It's the best I can do. See if we can't get it looking pretty good. I'm having a hard time getting the thing that covers the stickiness off. This one, let's see. And we'll do it later. Let's get the VP Racing Fuel sticker. There we go. I'm happy with that. Actually, that may look kind of good right there. We could put that thing right there. Yeah, let's do that. Put you guys back down. Let's get after it. Let's see here. I hope I'm talking loud enough. Sorry if not, because I can't do this over. It's not one shot. I'm having a hard time getting the stickiness off the back here. Oh, got it, guys. Did it. Looking pretty sharp. I like the graphics kits that the bikes are just decked out and stickers, and I like things that are sticker burned. About right there. No, but I don't like it right there. There we go. See what other ones we got. Got some little Star Wars guys. Put these around. I wish I had some more of those VP Racing Fuel stickers because those things look sharp. There we go. Last one I've got. Put it down there. Let's go see if we can. May have to cut this a little bit. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's way too big. Virginia International Speedway. I was thinking about putting it in there somewhere. Yeah, that's not gonna look no good. It's a little big too. Well, that's about it. Man, kind of bummed. Need some more stickers. Send me some stickers, y'all. Nah, I'm just playing, but that's how Zach goes. Had that over there. This looks pretty sharp, but I don't have that much room, so. Plus, it's not smart to put Sunoco right next to VP. And we'll leave it like that for now, guys. Not too happy with this sticker right here. But, oh well, what you gonna do? Well, thanks for watching. Like I said, my channel's still pretty early. So, I'm gonna be doing motor vlogs and stuff like that. I've told you about my bikes, and yeah, I'm just waiting for that piston to come in, like I said in my last video. If you haven't seen my first two videos, you may want to check them out. They kind of explain some shit that you may want to know. But that scar right there in that cylinder, it's no good, so I bought a sleeve. They're gonna drill it out, tap it in. Waiting for my piston and gaskets to get in. Once they get in, we can slap it all together and brap on. So, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm out.